Nini was getting ready for school. She drank her milk. She ate rice and fish. She ate pieces of papaya. Then she went to school. She read and sung in class. She played with her classmates.
Next.
Mother told Ellie to buy 10 eggs. Ellie went to Mang Kilo's store. He watched Mang Kilo count 9 eggs only. Mang Kilo gave Ellie the paper bag with the eggs. Ellie looked at the eggs.
Next.
It was raining. The children played in the house. They got some colored paper. They got some paper dolls. Tess and Wally were walking. Oh, cried Tess as she fell. Wally helped her up. He picked the banana peeling. He threw it in the trash can. It was Sunday morning. Faye and Lito went to church. They went to church with their father and mother. They prayed in the church. They thanked God for the good things they had. They thanked God for the food, clothes, and home. A farmer came to visit the school. He talked to all children. I'm glad to be in your school. The farmer said we should all help raising vegetables. Let us all plant so we will have enough food to eat. I will teach you how to plant. Come with me, Rosa, said Mother. I will buy things you need for school. Mother and Rosa went to the store. There were many things in the store. There were pencils and paper. There were crayons and bags. There were toys and candy. It was recess time. Tino was very hungry. He ran to school canteen. What a long line. He said his teacher saw Tino fall in line. It was almost time when Tino got a sandwich. Cora likes to draw, and one day she got her crayons. She got her drawing paper. She drew a cat and a dog. She colored the cat brown. She colored the dog black. Ben and Lino are playing. They are playing with marbles. Ben has three marbles. Lino has 2 marbles. Lino got Ben's marbles. Then he has 5 marbles. The children has picnic near a river. They ate on banana leavings. They had very much fun. Let's take our trash home, Nora said. We should help keep our rivers clean. It was Saturday morning. The children were all busy. Storm watered the plants. Nida cleaned the yard. Nida took care of the baby. The mother came home from the market. She was happy to see her children.